In the mid-2000s, one song and dance turned dancehall upside down. Dirty Wine, made famous by Tony Matterhorn. The head spin, the neck fling, the madness. Girls were going viral before viral was even a thing. They did it in heels, pon car top, and upside down. But with all the energy came controversy. Headlines said, Dirty Wine linked to neck injuries. Woman dies from dirty wine. Suddenly the dance get banned. Schools, stage shows, even abroad. Some say it was too wild. Some said it was degrading. But for most Jamaicans, it was freedom and full expression. And Tony Matterhorn, he created one of the most iconic anthems in dancehall history. Even today, Dirty Wine lives on in every female freestyle. Real question. Was Dirty Wine too wild? Or was it the last truly fearless dance of dancehall?